Hello from Slovenia again. I have some paints here left and I decided that I will try to do kind of I don't know, pearl bloom. How can I say? I will use my pearl white mixture for my base. All my mixtures are in the description box, so you can check there if you want to see how I mix my paints, what is my pouring medium, how I mix my pearl white. Everything you will find in the description box. I think that I saw something in there, but... And I have some paints left mixed with my pouring medium, of course, from some pours, and this is Mel's, that Mel sent me. Artist Loft, metallic cobalt blue. This color is just gorgeous. Okay, and this one I get from Mel too, so it's Pearlescent blue from Lumiere, and this one looks stunning too. And I have Australian floetrol for my cell activator, so. And this is Amsterdam phthalo Prussian blue left from the pour on my Sunday live. And I will add some white cell activator. I hope that I will not add too much because I don't know, but I'm going for a little and some black on top. For some kind of, I don't know, not a bloom. I will see and then I will talk about it. So now I will blow. Because I know that I get cells from my pearl white. So sorry. So I hope that you see. So I'm hoping for some kind of just webbing on the outside with this pearl white and some interesting details in the middle because of the where I have the straws. Maybe I will just try to do some puffs. I think that I add too much cell activator, but I want to have some black negative space too, so let's see what will happen if I spin this. kind of what I was going for. I like because I get those kind of cells, not this classic bloom look, so and because I know that my pearl white cells, you know, where I blow in, I know that I will get something up. Some pearl cells or something. Interesting. Let's do just one more spin and I will be done. Kind of interesting. And I will torch this a little bit because, you know, this is not a bloom mixture, so I can torch it and try to get some little cells out. It looks like underwater or something with these tiny little things. So let me take you down that you will see better what I'm talking about. See? I get some of these pearl cells from pearl white. Maybe I should even, and this webbing, add less paint. And I love these tiny cells from torching because they look almost like, you know, these tiny air bubbles underwater that are on some things, corals and grass under the water and everything else, you see. So I find this quite interesting, but I think that I can do something more with this, but I like that I get more like cells with silicone, but without the silicone. You see? there are cells with this rings around. So quite interesting. And these are the places where I blow, you see, and I get these pearl cells up. So maybe I can play with this some more and see where this will lead me. But so far I am quite satisfied with this. So tell me what you think. Do you want me to experiment a little more with this, or it's just something that's not worth to waste paint on it? I think that I will definitely do some more experiment with this. So this is it for today, and see you on the next one. Tell in the comments what do you think about it. Bye.